Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you live in Canada, this is a familiar job you have to do. Now there was severe snowfall yesterday, and although I had cleaned before, I am gonna clean it once more. And you know what? What adds more complexity in my case? Because I'm a landlord and my basement is tenanted. So as per the laws in Ontario, I am responsible for cleaning the snow. So it's not just my front and back. I have to clean the passage also that is used by my tenants to come and go. Okay, and sometimes such tasks which be, to be honest with you guys, really overwhelming, but I have no option. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove snow first. Okay, and as you see, there is like ice formed here. So you can use your shovel like this that I'm doing by repeatedly hitting the layer and take it off, but sometimes it's very cumbersome and people in old ages cannot do it as efficiently as youngsters can do. I'm not saying I've become too old, although I'm on the way, but what you can do after you shovel, so when you remove snow and it's just ice, it becomes more slippery. For example, this one, this is like very slippery at this moment, so it's even more dangerous for anyone to walk. So after you do this, you must put some salt to avoid any chance of anyone falling because of slip. So yeah, so like in order to deal with such snow, especially with temperature fluctuating, when snow turns into ice, that first remove the snow, remove the outer layer as good as you can, and then for the remaining ice, if you cannot put a lot of effort, make sure you at least salt the area so that it's safe. Now because safety is more important, and you know guys, my work is not yet done. I have to, oh my god. Now I'm in my backyard where it's a bit better. Thank god today sunlight is actually favoring me. Otherwise it would have been even bad, but thank god sun is there, so that's why here almost everything has been melted. There is no ice here. This much space is fine for my tenants to go in and out smoothly. So again, as I'm telling you, like, make sure you remove this ice beneath the snow layers, because if you don't, if anybody steps, it's very easy to fall. Next, anywhere where you cannot do this, just add some salt. Okay, I'm not talking about your table salt. It's available in all the stores. The de-icing salt, you can say, or winter salt for this purpose. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel, and happy winter and safe winter. Thank you.